Afternoon, folks. It is 4:03 p.m. Wednesday, February the 18th, and I have a couple of mini-verse. I managed to get a series 2, and I believe this is a series 3. Yeah, series 3. I have a series 1 and I put it somewhere safe, and now I can't find it. But nevertheless, let's have a go at these. I'll give you a view. I know there's cheats with these that you can do the pinholes and work what they are, but I like the lucky dip feature. I have opened numerous mini verses before, so these are quite cute. Not sure if I'm going too fast here. Upside down. So yeah, quite a few little cuties there. There's 12 to collect. Let's get into it. So remember, this is series 2 that I'm opening first. Zipper, come on. Come on, Zipper. One layer of onion. They always do good designs, don't they? Zipper. Yes, very nicely designed wrappers. Alright. And I've opened a few of these. Still get the same thrill I did when I opened my first and I didn't know what I was doing. Okay, all the novels straight in the bin. Okay, so instructions. Obviously we're getting basil and rosemary. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's open 4 first because you can already see what he is. Take off his little rubber band and unwrap him, and look, basil and rosemary. Yeah, not a bad horrid likeness of the actual. Where's my camera? Of the actual plant. They are pretty squished. Zhuzh zhuzh. That one's rock hard. You don't like to be zhuzh, but this one's flexy. So your rosemary and your basil. Again, nice wrapping. You probably sit there and read some of this. I cannot see most of it because my glasses are crap. The mini post, happy sun terms, just nice and decorative. Okay, and then two tomato tins. That's actually quite cute. Okay, so they're our pots. So it'll be tomatoes and cherries. Very cute there. Didn't want to close up. Quite cute little tins. They are plastic little tins. And then the little tray that we put them in. So they would look like that. And that's obviously the soil. So what's this guy? Must be our utensil pack. Okay. Oh, that's a guide. And Happy Grow Black. Our little plant stakes. Let's have a look. Okay. Oh, there's quite a few, isn't there? Oh, the strawberries and tomatoes look cute. Oh, and the frog pond. I know a lot of people wanted the frog pond or the fish. Wouldn't mind that. Or the daisies. Cute. Okay, there's ours there. Basil and rosemary. So if we turn him over, you can trim the plant how you like, and then you just pop it in. It's telling you to trim it. So it makes it look more realistic. So this is air dry maybe? Seems like it doesn't tell you to put it in the sun. I probably would. See if it goes hard. Oh, hang on. Let's do that exact thing. Okay. Let's open her up a bit. Ooh. Wow. Gonna make my mat all messy, aren't we? Possibly. Okay, squeeze some in there. Pop in our little plant and stick some more in. It's almost like kinetic sands feel. If you know, you know. Get in there. Oh man, I'm going to make a nice mess, aren't I? Okay. And we'll put our little stake in the back. Out you come. Basil, we want basil. Very fiddly middly. Okay. Stick it outside like that. Get in there. Alright, let's have a go at putting our rosemary in. Come on, dirt. Okay. Zhuzh him out a little bit. Plonk. 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 Okay. I'll use the rest of it because I don't know what else I'm going to use it for. Get in there. Where's the front of the pot there? Is that the front? Oh, that's the front. Put some more in there. Clean up my mess a bit. Hurry up. You're making your video too long. Okay. Put that one in. That side. Okay. What do we think? Cute, cute. Okay. Now, does not say anything at all about UV or any of that sort of stuff. But what do we reckon? Do we reckon it's going to need some UV light? Might put it on the windowsill and have a look. Actually, what if I can put my UV light on over the side here while we open this one? Okay, let's do that. Move all this, move all this. Okay. Let me go there. And then I'm going to do with the dirt. Okay, let's put the UV light up. So I got a UV light I will plug in and put on over this plants that we've just popped in and just see if it does anything. Okay. Alright, next one. Make It Mini Nature Series 3. And these are very cute. Flowers, butterflies. Again, there's probably a hole there somewhere, but I don't care. I just get them because I like them. 8+ and 8 to collect. Let's go. Oh, she's a tricky one, this one. Okay, not gonna zipper. Dinosaurs hanging out from one of our previous videos. Lots of noise in the background there. Got the fan going. It's a bit warm. Fish tanks bubbling. Come on. Dear, oh dear. Right. Right. Make It Mini Series 3. What do we get? Okay, there's our little cheat sheet, and we've got one booklet. 1, 2, 3 things. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Well, that looks interesting. 2 Venus flytrap. Oh, aren't they cute? Okay, 2 Venus flytrap, a fly swatter. Oh, it's even got little bugs on it. You see that? It's got little bugs on it. Hang on. Oh, the little bugs are separate. Ah, I just dropped one. That is the bugs. And I dropped it again. My goodness gracious, can you even see that? That's the size of the flies. Where's my camera? Is it tuning in? Holy guacamole. Let's see if we can stick it back in there somewhere. Okay. So 2 fly traps, a tray, and pots to put our exciting plants in. Oh. Look at that. Okay. And potting mix again. Another little, and then the little feet for the shelf. Okay, rubbish all out the way. Let's see what she says. Okie dokie. Pansies. Cosmos. A bonsai. Morning glory. Chilies, lemons, the display, corn, and the Venus flytrap. Okay. So we just put A, B, C. So like what we've just done with the herbs, we pull out our little plant. Oh, we even got a little black rock. Oh, pop him out, and we pop him in there, and then you've got little flies. I'm not going to build this one just yet. What do I do with my dirt from the last one? I might just use this dirt up for now. If we want in black or in what? Oh, they're both grey. One's light grey, one's dark grey. So we're going to just pop this in there. Come on out, fake soil. Come out, come out. And go everywhere. Okay. And we pop him like that. And put some of this around it to hold him up. Skip his oil. Skip his oil. And then stand him upright. Boop. Boop. Try and cover that base a bit. Okay. That one can go back in there. Oh, now I've done it. Look at that big blob of dirt and I've stuck it there. Okay. I think we're just going to leave it like that for today. Rubbish out of the way. Get the rubbish out of the way. Flies got to stay there. Legs can go back in the container. I think it'll be a work in progress, that one. Okay, flies there. Pot. That bit can go in the bin. That bit can stay there. So these are actually quite hard too. Let's check our other pots. Okay, the light did nothing for them. So if you're like me and live in Queensland, I know cockroaches would like to visit that. Don't ask me why, they just would. They're cockroaches, and probably the Chinese or Asian geckos that have invaded of late. I don't know if they will set over time or get hard, but at the moment nothing's changed from putting them under the UV light. Not that I thought it would, I kind of hoped it would, but okay. Well, these go on my favourite shelf. These two might, that one not so much. I don't think he's all that realistic, and I'm not sure how I'm going to attach the little flies. Probably a little dab of super glue, but even then I don't know that you'll see them. Pots, yes, cute. Buy them again? Yeah, I probably will. Not at full price. Cute, yes, non-resin, but maybe a little dab of resin would help to attach flies and seal the top of this. Might be something I will consider. Will it go on my shelf? Probably, did I already say this? Probably the herbs, probably not the fly trap. Don't know. Might pop them in a diorama. I've got one in mind actually that I've nearly finished. I might pop him in that. He's a pizza shop, so that might fit in. Okay guys, I'm going to go. I've got 2 more videos to try and film and upload for today. So I will go now and I'll see you later.